Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be, may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet stylish handbags designs ideas collection. Beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet stylish handbags designs ideas collection for women and girls ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing show to people in all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about their stock designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such design. You can get many ideas from my videos. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion letter designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.